Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned to see how I got these cute nails, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm doing this a little differently. I'm going to cut my XL tip in half and glue it on backwards because I wanted that crescent moon shape at the tip of my nail, and I thought, hey, why not just flip them upside down? And it worked. So right now you see me just going in to put on my base coat. And with this set, I was like, you know what? I want to see how the extendos work with the polygel, seeing to it that the polygel is heavy. So that's why I only did like one extendo. Well, that's why I only did one tip. I only added one tip onto each because I didn't know how the weight was going to be distributed, and I knew this was a pop-off set. It didn't have their strength. So now that I've got them all on, I'm going to go in and apply my base coat so that I can start putting the polygel on the nails. I have used my Beetles base coat down to the bottom. I literally don't have it in the frame because I have to like lean it all the way to the side. You saw that. I have to lean it all the way to the side just to get it out, guys. Like, it's bald-headed. And guys, wait till you see this finger right here. Wait till you see how my nail fell off. The crazy thing is, I was just thinking about the weight and the way the weight would be distributed over the pop-off nail, and the fact that the base coat and the foil glue were not going to be strong enough. And they sure were not, because my middle finger is going to pop off, but I'm going to fix that. And yeah, like, let's just keep getting into this set. Let me be quiet because I don't want to talk you guys' heads off. Now I'm going to go in with my Macart Polygel, guys. It's so smooth and creamy. This gave me no issues. Like, I love Macart Polygel. Model Ones is pretty smooth too. Those are my top two. Those are the ones I usually use. So, yeah. Now I'm just going to smooth all of this out. I am going to speed up some of this because I want you guys to see the main parts where I was blending and the outcome of how it looked after I covered the whole extendo. I'm going to be linking the products down below because these are all numbers. These don't have names. So, yeah. All right, so I'm back and I fixed it. I was so livid, guys. I'm like, I don't want to do this no more. I'm done. I'm putting this down. But I just kept going, and you see this time I'm giving the nail some more support instead of having it sticking straight out over my hand rest. I didn't have any specific direction I was going in. This was a freestyle. I just wanted to use different shades of blues. And I ended up mixing some nude and some white in there, but it came out so cute. And I wish I would have got to show you guys the charm application and the filing, But my camera died, so yeah. Well, my phone, because, you know, I record off my... I have a 13 Pro Max, or is it a 14 Pro? I'm not sure, but I have a good phone, guys. So my flimsy middle finger that totally betrayed me earlier, it was a little thin. So I'm just adding a little more of that white polygel so that it could just be a little thicker. Now I'm going to give this a full cure, and when I come back, I'll have my nails filed and the sticky layer removed because my phone had died and I didn't get to capture the stones or the filing, and I didn't even notice. So I just went in and made a video for you guys of the finished product, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with someone who may like it. Okay, bye.